Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and as you can see, I suffer from acne. And today, I have a video for you guys. We're gonna involve some skincare. We're gonna do a new product testing as well. You guys know how much I love skincare and how much I love testing out foundations for you guys. Today, I'm going to be testing out the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. I know this foundation has been out for quite a while, but I gotta test it on acne and see if this is great for those acne prone people like myself, see if it can cover that. But today, the star of the show is the Origins Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer for a little bit now and it's actually helped to clear my skin. Having great skin before makeup is extremely important. And I want to say thank you to Origins for sponsoring today's video. I want to talk a little bit about this moisturizer and why it's great to have really good skin. Really good skin obviously helps to boost your confidence. You guys know how much my acne has really affected my confidence and how it's just affected my love for makeup and everything like that. And having great skin helps to have a nice canvas to put all that makeup on. This stuff smells so nice. It has like a really nice like clean spa scent to it. It's gonna actively clear breakouts and existing blackheads and help prevent new breakouts from occurring. I used to use Origins back when I first started getting really bad acne in college, and I really liked a lot of their products. One of the things that I really like is their mask. They also have a Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, and I used this right before filming right now so that I have a nice, even canvas to try out this foundation. The new Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer, like I said, is formulated with 1% salicylic acid and also bamboo charcoal. And the active charcoal is also in the Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask, which really helps to clear the pores and, like I said, prevent new breakouts from forming and clear existing blemishes and blackheads. This is now available and has just launched and retails for $34 and is available at Origins and Ulta online and in store. And don't forget, I will put a link for it down below, so definitely check that out. And later in the video, I'll also show you some things, some other things that Origins kindly gifted to me. I'm super excited to share this with you guys. And again, thank you so much to Origins for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this foundation review. So along with the foundation, I also got the concealer as well, and I'm trying out the Sweet Talk Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette. Let's dive in. I'm excited to see how this foundation works. Here is the foundation. It comes in a glass bottle, and this is a pretty cheap foundation, so it's really nice that this is, you know, you're getting your money's worth. Nice little bottle. There's 0.85 fluid ounces in this foundation. And I got mine in the color Light 45, which I think is going to be a little too light. I picked this up when I was not as tan, so this might be a little bit light, but we got bronzer for that. And I got the concealer and I tested it out in person. Again, might be, oh, this is going to be really light for me. This is in the color Fair 04. And this came out a while ago, and like I said, I just kind of disappeared for a little bit and wasn't able to test it out right when it came out. But oh my gosh, you guys, I swatched this when I first got it, but holy crap, is this not the prettiest palette. I mean, look at this color right here and this color up here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to test it out. But when I bought this palette, I also bought two eyeshadow singles as well because they had a little promotion, and I was like, oh my gosh, these look super similar to some colors that are already in the palette, so kind of a fail about that. But I'm super excited to test this out. I hope this foundation works. As you guys know, one side I'm going to use a beauty blender. Look at this yellow one, I'm so excited. And on the other side, I'm going to be using the Sigma flat kabuki brush. You guys know I'm so excited. If you haven't heard already, I came out with my own brush set from Sigma. You guys, this is the Shweihninzy Beautiful You brush set. I'll link the video to the video, or I'll link the video where I describe and tell you guys a little bit about this set, but it has the F80, the E25, and the E40, so I'll be using those in this video as well. But you guys know how much I love this brush. So there's no lid, but you twist the little bottle here, I know you guys have been complaining that I use too much foundation, but I'm really not. Promise. So here's the foundation. This is a buildable full coverage natural matte foundation that delivers flawless looking skin from day to night. Oil-free, lightweight formula, blends smoothly and is easily customizable to create the coverage you want. Wow. It is clinging a little bit to some of the dry patches that I have. I'm really trying to just blend this in. So let's try it with the sponge here. And when I'm wearing the Origins Clear Improvement Moisturizer, I notice my makeup does sit really nicely and it helps to, you know, with my oils and stuff, so I'm really excited to be testing out this moisturizer and this new Clear Improvement product. Alright, definitely doesn't look as dry on my forehead with the sponge, just because you're getting a little bit of that moisture. But the coverage looks about the same on both sides, actually. Let's test out this concealer. That's definitely going to be way too light. Oh yeah, this is super light. Alright, here's what everything looks like up close. Looks pretty good. It's creasing a little bit quickly on my eyelids. But so far, looks pretty decent. Let's go ahead and set it. I always use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder for under my eyes. And then for the rest of my face, I use the Maybelline SuperStay powder. And this one is in the color Natural Beige, so this will help to kind of darken it. Look at this little Gudetama powder puff. And then I use a little bit of the extra of the Laura Mercier powder, and I just put it under my eyes in case there's any fallout from the eyeshadow. So it's going to look a little cakey under there at the moment. But let's go ahead and dive into this palette. I am so excited. I mean, look at these colors. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I'll go in with the color Work It with the E40. So excited, you guys. This will be in like my transition here. Because my eyes are hooded, I tend to I'll look like straight up like this. So, and then I'll bring the color so you can actually see it when I open my eye. And then I'll go in with the E25, which is also in my set, and I'll take that same color, Work It, and I'll put it under here. I'll take ICYMI, which is this one right here, with the E25. Kind of go here. And I'll go with the E25 again in the color Feel Free. And go like really close to my lash line. I'll go in with like a really small brush, and with a little bit of the concealer I'll make a little place for the eyeshadow to go one of these glittery shades, well, just to make like a sticky base. Now I think these two are the pressed glitters, and this is the pressed, what are they called, Super Shock Shadow? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, so much glitter. Holy crap. Yeah, let's go in with the Super Shock Shadow first, which is the color Side to Side right here. And usually those are better with your finger, but I've got these long nails on. There's the eyeshadow look. Not sure how that turned out, but so much glitter. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, my brows, everything like that, and I'll be right back. So here is the completed look. On my lips, I have the Colourpop Ava collaboration in the color Love Bite. So that's what I have on my lips. Everything else will be listed down below like usual. If you guys have any questions about what products are on my face, I always put them in the down bar with a link to buy it, and I will put the link to the Origins moisturizer down there as well, the mask, all the other goodies that they sent me, which I'm going to show you right now. There's also the Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask to purify and nourish. So they sent this over to me as well. I'm super excited to test this out. Let's see what the... Oh, this is like a darker gray color. Ooh, it smells like honey. Oh my gosh, that'll be super fun to try. So I haven't tried that one out yet, but I'm really excited to try that out. They sent over the Super Spot Remover Acne Treatment as well, which I used to use back in college. So this is an old favorite of mine. It's this tiny little bottle. So this is a salicylic acid treatment. So it's 1.50. So this is like pure salicylic acid. So this is great for spot treating. We've got some cleansers here. Oh, this is the treatment lotion, the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. The Mega Mushroom stuff is really good for people with acne or problem skin. So this is definitely something that's really, really great. Like I said, I used to use all these products like in college, and like, what was I? Why did I leave the train? Origins is great. It's all natural stuff, and oh my gosh, I really like this stuff. This is the Origins Zero Oil Deep Pore Cleansing with Sal Palmetto and Mint. So this is really great if you have oily skin. And this is a gel cleanser, which is really great for oil production. So this is really great. And another cleanser actually used this as well. This is the Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. So I have combination skin, so this is great for the dry areas. So it's nice and frothy and gentle on the skin, because sometimes you don't want to like overkill your skin with products. So I used to use this as well. So this is a great cleanser. This is great. I love this stuff. And the last thing they sent over to me was the Anti-Aging Power Serum, the Plantscription Anti-Aging Serum. Again, check out the Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer. This stuff is great. It's got the salicylic acid in it to help with the breakouts, like I said. It's got the bamboo charcoal as well to help really pull out all that crap. And it has witch hazel in it to help shrink your pores as well. So definitely try this out, and I really, really like their mask. This one has really, really helped my skin lately to really just dry everything up and just pull out those impurities. So definitely check these guys out. Everything will be linked down below, and thank you again to Origins. So the time currently right now is 4:20. It's kind of late in the day. I got moving a little bit slow. It's alright. This won't be too long of a foundation wear test, but I want to show you guys what my skin looks like right now. I don't know if you can see, but right here in my nose is really dry and crusty, and it's kind of clinging to this dryness that I have. Like I said, I had this huge zit right here, and it's clinging to a little bit of the dryness in my forehead, but mainly like the dryness in my nose and like around my nose and stuff. So that's not cute, but I can definitely tell this is going to be a matte foundation. I'm excited to see how this wears. Like I said, it's a pretty cheap foundation, so hit it up, and you're supporting an American brand, you know what I'm saying. So I'm super excited. Like I said, it's 4:20, and I'll check back in with you guys later. The time is currently 5:20, so it's been about an hour, and the foundation is looking dry. I had snot come out my nose, so I had to fix that. But here we go. Filming on my phone because I forgot my camera with my mother. This probably isn't very good, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in natural lighting. along in the car. So, there we go. Oh, look at my nails. It's the girl that does my nails when I did like that huge transformation. My girl Kim is the bomb. She does amazing things. Look at that. Hello, I'm antiquing right now. So I wanted to show you guys my skin under this horrendous fluorescent lighting. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, but yes, I'm antiquing right now. Love me some antiques. Who else likes antiquing? It's a fun time. But yeah, I love looking at all this stuff. I like reusing things, you know? It's like thrifting, but I like thrifting furniture. It's fun. You gonna come over here? No. What a cutie. Can you see my eyeshadow? My back just popped just a smidge. My highlight. It's so bright. Hello, the time is currently 11:26, so I've had this foundation on for 7 hours, and it looks pretty amazing. I'm getting a couple pustules down here and a little bit down here, but I have to say for 7 hours of wear, this looks really good. It's a super matte foundation, and I'm definitely pleasantly surprised. My eyeshadow was super sparkly today. The concealer does seem to cling to like my lines and things like that, but I think this foundation is really nice. It's just a little bit shiny around my nose, which is where I'm more oily, but otherwise I think it looks pretty bomb. Like I said, the main star of the show was the Clear Improvement Pore Clearing Moisturizer, and I'll leave everything linked down below, so definitely check the products out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this foundation review. I have a couple others that are in the works, but if you guys want me to review a foundation, just let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to check out my brush set with Sigma as well. Links to everything will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.